Hey, it's Jules from Abracadabra NYC, and today we're going to show you how to do prosthetic werewolf makeup. First, our makeup artist Joey starts by cleaning our performer's brow and nose area with an alcohol wipe to remove any excess oils. He then applies a thin layer of liquid Prosthetic to the foam latex prosthetic, waits for it to dry to the point of peak tackiness, then gently places it on the face, center first, applying pressure to the brow area, taking care to not press the edges down just yet. He then goes in with another thin layer of Prosthetic on the sides of our performer's nose and other edge areas and works his way out. Instead of applying it in streaks, opt for circular motions to get the most even coverage. Then once the edges are placed down, he seals and smooths them into place by another layer of liquid Prosthetic, then filling in any gaps and wrinkles with the cream Prosthetic. Then once it's dried, to avoid tackiness, powder. Next, he's going to go in with a camouflage cream concealer by Kryolan to darken the prosthetic. He then uses the Mayron Tattoo cover wheel to paint over it as a base tone, and going into the highlights next before blending. Then, with an alcohol flesh tone palette, he spackles some freckles to give the skin some dimension and texture. Next, with an eyeshadow palette, he darkens around the eyes and under the furrowed brows, as well as very lightly across the hairline and under the nose. Next, he uses some hair gel to comb and slick back our performer's hair, and applies a thin layer of Prosthetic under the hairline. Then, using strips of hair we cut from a wig that matched our performer's hair color, he gently presses them down to bond with the Prosthetic. He then uses the back of his cotton swab to gently comb the wig hair into our performer's real hair, and then sprays it into place. After some light trimming, powdering, and some wire-form pointy ears, our werewolf is ready to perform stand-up comedy. If that sentence made you do a double take and you've decided that you suddenly need to see a werewolf doing stand-up comedy more than anything else in this life, check out the full set right here on our channel. All the items that Joey used can be found in the description of this video or in our store on 19 West 21st Street in New York City while supplies last. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment letting us know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching and have a pleasant tomorrow.